Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft on your PC for free. So let's get started. I'm going to open up a browser and I'm going to search for Minecraft trial. From the search page, I'm going to select the option from the official Minecraft website, which is minecraft.net. So I'm going to click on that. From here, I'm going to scroll the way down to the trial download section and I'm going to download the Java edition. My PC is running on Windows 11, so I'm going to download the one for Windows 10/11. So I'm going to click on that. And when you click on that, the download is going to get started, as you can see right here. But I'm going to stop this because, as you can see, I've already downloaded the Minecraft installer.exe file. Now, after downloading this file, go ahead and click on this show in folder option right there, and from my desktop I'm just gonna drag this up to my desktop right here. As you can see that, so I'm gonna double click on that to go ahead and open that. Over here, of course, I'm gonna agree to their license terms and I click install, and then I'm gonna just wait for the installation to be completed. And right now you can see that the installation is complete. Welcome to Minecraft. Installation is done. Okay, so to move forward, click on the let's go. And then you can see that the Minecraft is up and running. All you just need to do to launch the Minecraft is to go ahead and log into your Microsoft account, and after that you're good to go. Make sure that you're logging into a new Microsoft account or any other Microsoft account which you have never used for Minecraft ever before. Or if you don't have one, you can go ahead and create one already and link it to Minecraft and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft on your PC for free.